Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another new video. Thank you so much for clicking and deciding to watch the video. So this is another video at Ombo Resken. We just walked out and decided to come here for fresh air with my sisters. And also I was planning on uploading a video. That video that you've seen on Sunday I uploaded it on this day. So yes, this place is full of animals that you can see that comes by almost where the people are, be these ostriches, giraffe, springboks, and many others here. So yes, so I am taking this time to acknowledge and thank my new subscribers. Every single one of you that just subscribed to my channel. I hope you are enjoying this dance. This dance is for you guys, to appreciate you and to thank you for deciding to join the family and be part of my YouTube journey. So thank you so much. My old subscribers, hi, hello, greetings. I love you guys. Thank you so much for always staying and coming back to watch my videos. Yeah, keep coming, keep motivating me and encouraging me. If you have not subscribed yet, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, and leave a sweet comment. Enjoy.